Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 30th of January 2022. Roblox. Is it a buy? I mean, look at where the price is. Look at where the last trade was in the market for Roblox, right there around $58.18, which brings us to, did the market make all-time lows? Yes, it has. We've been trading around all-time lows into the market in Roblox. So do you think that this is an opportunity to come in and buy the market, or should we wait because we will continue to see the price go down? That's a question that I'm posing to everyone who views this video. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do the price predictions without the confusion. I pay attention to what everyone else is trying to do with their own positions, because once they actually come into the market, you think about it, they cannot come back and do a redo, or can I have another retry? I didn't like that price that I got in at, so let me take it back. You cannot do that. So once they actually come in and pull the trigger on their buy or sell, it is documented permanently on these charts. So once you see what the overall majority of the market is trying to do, you can actually get in position and ride the wave with them so that you don't have to be left out of the game. Check this out. If you guys appreciate my videos, hit the like button, save it, and also subscribe here to the channel. Also, check this out. If you guys want to get the latest price predictions that I have for these stocks that I cover here on this particular channel, make sure you come to my playlist tabs right here. And these are all my videos. These are all of my stock price predictions for every stock that I've done on this channel. So make sure you come here to get the latest information. All right, now let's break this down. First of all, let me go over what happened into the market since my last price prediction, my last video, which was on January the 10th. Yeah, I told you all then, hey, be prepared for this weakness to happen into the market in Roblox. I mean, we should not be surprised. The chart was already telling us what the majority of the market was thinking, and we continue to see this price fall to the point to where we made all-time lows. So we should not be surprised. Right? We should not be surprised. We should have actually been scathed from actually being negative in this weakness that's been coming through into the market in Roblox. Right? We should have been. Now, if you haven't seen it, check this out. 31.25%. 31.35% movement to the downside since my last video. We called it. We were there. Were you able to ride this wave with the majority of the other market participants? This is how you're able to win in the market. Now, check this out. We need to answer this question. Actually, the market in Roblox seemingly has broken away from this trend. So possibly we might actually see a small up move in this market in Roblox, meaning we've been seeing this price go down for so long. The market's going to finally get some breath, try to inhale some more life in this stock price to where we might see an upward move. Now, one of the biggest issues and concerns that I want to tell you all about is that once a market make all-time lows, there's no definitive place that we will find the bottom, right? We are entering into brand new territory into the market in Roblox. That's a negative thing. So for us to think that we are done with a bearish market, with a massive decline in Roblox, we cannot be that ignorant. We have to be smarter. We have to understand that when the market cracks to all-time lows, meaning that we don't have any buyers yet. And you'll know when the buyers are coming into the market in Roblox. You'll know because you'll tell by the volume. The volume will increase, just like you can see here at the bottom of my chart. All of this high volume, yeah, this is where the big money has been participating. And right here, this is where they were selling. Yeah, look at all that volume when you see it in relation to what happened previously. Like literally, there hasn't been any volume here into the market in Roblox until this market made all-time highs and hit there towards $140. This is where the market was selling. Now, many of those on YouTube probably told you all to come through and continue to buy because they see higher prices in the next 10 to 15 years. But the big money, i.e. what they'll term as the smart money, was selling it up here. And once they are gone, price just falls off the cliff. This is literally what's been going on to the market in Roblox. I mean, from the high from November of 2021 to where price is now, look at this. This market has lost about 59% of its value. Now, let's try to figure out, is this the buying opportunity though? Because like I said, you'll tell what the market is trying to buy in Roblox. You'll tell. So this is the 3-day time frame, and this is where the lid is now. Okay, let's not get it twisted. This is where the market lid is going to be for Nano, meaning we're not going to expect this price to go up in Nano until we see it break this $64 price, and then we have to see it break this D trend line, the descending line, excuse me. We would have to see the market do both of those things before we get any inclination that this market is getting bullish. Yeah. Now, let's look at this on a weekly. Okay, this is the market here in Roblox on a weekly time frame. The volume is coming through, right? You guys can see it. Not higher than what we saw on these weekly price bars, but it is definitely coming through right now, meaning that we are starting to see some small hints of the market buying up this stock. Look at this on the 2 weeks. So this is the 2 weeks time frame here into the market in Roblox. I mean, what do you all think? Do you think we're done? Do you think the price is going to continue to go up? Do you think we're going to trade sideways? What do you think just by looking at these price bars? Because the market is speaking to us. Just got to understand what it's trying to convey. Okay. Let's look at this on the monthly. This is the monthly time frame here into the market in Roblox. So from a monthly perspective, this definitely looks weak. I'm going to keep it real with everyone. This is weakness. This tells you that this market in Roblox may actually continue to go down in the long term from a monthly time frame. This could be a precursor of what's to come as we go throughout 2022. Look how wide that spread is. We haven't seen a wide of this type of spread ever into the history of Roblox right now. Many people are questioning whether or not Roblox is actually a good investment. Because if it wasn't, we would not be seeing this very wide spread on this high volume. Okay. So from that perspective, yes, the market here in Roblox is weak, but it doesn't mean that from a weekly to a daily time frame that we won't see price go up. That is why I want us to identify the $64 price level. Okay. So let me hit this back over to an hourly time frame because we want to see the buyers are coming through. Can you see them? Are they here? What do you think this market in Roblox is going to do now? What do you think? Look at all this volume that came in on this 3-hour price bar right here. And the market still hasn't fell. This is the hourly time frame. Now, from an hourly perspective, I would play this, right? I would play this from an hourly perspective. I'm not going to be massively bullish from a daily time frame. You got to give yourself an expiration date as to which you expect these plays to happen. You don't want to stay longer in the market than what you have to, because you keep your money at risk. You want to come in, get what you came in to get, and you get out the market and move on to the next play. This is strength here. I do like what's going on into the market in Roblox right here, but only to the point that we can see price go this high, right? I don't want you all to think that this is massively bullish, because it is not. Maybe we could see the price hit $60, right? That's only 3%. I can see the market hitting that $60 price. And then my next level will be up here toward like 62.25, which is only 7% move. That's about it. This is not the opportunity to expect the price to hit $100 to $200. The market's going to give us like a small little bounce, and that is about all that I'm looking forward to. Okay, I'm not looking for us to get a massive big move to the upside in price in Roblox, because if so, my next level is around 64. Okay, so these are the 3 price targets that I'm looking at into the market in Roblox. Okay, first area is 60. That's my first price target, meaning that I will be playing or expecting to see some selling occur there. Now, right before the selling happens, we need to grab the bag. Yeah, we need to take the profitability of 3% and go. My second area is up here towards 62. It's about 6.5%. Third area is up there towards 64. That's about it. Nothing more, nothing less. Because all this pressure here in the market in Roblox is still plaguing this market. So until we see, like I told you earlier in the video, until we see this price break above $64, we need to continue to expect downward movement on a longer time frame. Okay, so what do you all think? Is this market a buy in Roblox, or do you think the market is not a buy? Because this is not a long-term play. So if you guys see this video weeks and weeks from now, this market would probably have already acted the way that I wanted it to do, which is why I'm showing this to you on an hourly time frame. Okay, so actually let me make this play on an hourly play. I want to make this on an hourly time frame. All right, that's it. We're going to play this prediction on an hourly perspective. This is not a daily, this is not a weekly, this is not a monthly price prediction. So if you see this video late, you might just need to click off and find another video, because this play would have already gone on. All right, so this is what I'm looking forward to on an hourly basis only. $60 first, $62 second, $64 third as my price targets here into the market in Roblox. All right, so now let me know, what do you all think about the market though in Roblox? Do you think we're going to go up on an hourly time frame only? Okay, don't give me your price prediction on a monthly to a yearly basis, because we are not done conclusively with going down in price. All right, so let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.